Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your profile with Meetup, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your profile with Meetup, start by logging into your Meetup account. Once you are logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture at the top right corner. On your profile page, look for the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to access your account preferences. In the Settings menu, find the section titled Verify Your Profile. Select the Verify Your Profile option to initiate the verification process. You will see a prompt explaining the verification requirements. Read through the instructions carefully. You may be asked to provide a few details for verification. This could include your phone number or a form of identification. If asked for your phone number, enter it in the designated field. Once you've entered your phone number, click Send Code. Check your phone for a verification code sent via SMS. Enter the code into the provided field on the Meetup site. If your code is correct, you will receive a confirmation message. If required to upload identification, choose the file from your device. Follow any additional prompts to complete the verification. After everything is submitted, you will receive a notification about your verification status. Typically, this will be processed quickly. Once verified, you'll enjoy the benefits of a confirmed profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.